We're investigating
Boracay's Foodie! Hello everyone and welcome back to our Boracay series. On my first vlog, we went investigating all the best adventures the island has to offer. If you haven't seen it, just click the link above. First is Subo, Boracay, and let me tell you, this place is such a unique experience because you actually have to go barefooted inside, which instantly sets this relaxed Filipino vibe. We ordered their famous scallops, a rich seafood rice dish, mussels with bread, squid and ribs. Everything was so flavorful and perfect for sharing. Honestly, there was just something about the atmosphere, the food, and being with my mom again that made it really emotional in the best way. I can't really give you the exact prices, but based on my experience, you can expect to spend around 1,000 to 2,500 pesos per person when dining at a proper restaurant like this. There were also live dance performances while we were eating, which made the whole experience feel even more cultural and memorable. And of course, we couldn't live without dessert. We had creamy leche flan and ube ice cream, which were the perfect sweet ending to such a heartfelt and delicious meal. Next is chicken Inasal Bacolod style but in Boracay. This has to be one of the cheapest yet most worth it meals we had on the island. As someone who loves chicken and of course being a Filipino, I was so excited for this. We also tried their kansi, which is a rich beef soup with bone marrow. But what I was really craving was that classic Inasal experience, eating chicken with my hands. Of course, I had to use gloves, but it still felt so satisfying and authentic. The chicken was juicy, smoky, and full of flavor, especially when paired with their java rice and that perfect mix of soy sauce with chili. Simple, affordable, and definitely a must-try in Boracay. If you are a pizza and pasta lover, Giuseppe is definitely one of the more authentic places you can check out. We ordered their famous pizza topped with tomato, mozzarella, sausages, and parma ham for 820 pesos. And it was so good. The crust was thick on the edges with cheese inside, which made every bite extra satisfying. Plus, it had that rich, classic Italian flavor. I was also craving pasta with seafood, so I ordered a spaghetti marinara for 720 pesos. Plus, I had a banana graham shake for around 260 pesos. It's a bit on the pricier side, but definitely worth it for the quality. We also tried the famous boat menu at Hakuna, Matata. And let me tell you, it was such a very cool experience. We got the meat and seafood set for 2,900 pesos. And it was so big. I swear, it looked like I could use it to sail on a sea. It's definitely good for sharing. We couldn't even finish them. Also, I ordered calamares for 420 pesos because you know, I'm such a squid girl. Plus, onion rings for 310 pesos. Honestly, paying bills is just part of the experience, even when it hurts a little. My wallet is still recovering, but at least my stomach and memories were fully booked. We also ate at Gyukatsu Japanese restaurant. I tried their Kagoshima A5 Wagyu Chak set for 1,995 pesos, which already comes with unlimited rice, salad, soup, and even ice cream. They actually have different sets you can try, so there's a lot of variety depending on what you're craving. The food was really tasty overall. The meat was flavorful in every bite, especially when paired with Himalayan salt and different spices. Although I'll be honest, Wagyu isn't really my personal thing. What made the experience more interesting was the cooking process. You grilled the meat yourself on a heated stone plate with fire underneath, like a small tabletop grill setup, which made it more interactive and fun. And of course, I have to admit, I'm not really good with chopsticks. So I ended up using a spoon and fork most of the time. Filipino habits win again. I was trying to learn, but it was harder than I expected. And honestly, kind of funny too. We also tried a Mediterranean style restaurant, and it's kind of like kebab, but with a barbecue twist. First of all, I tried their fries for only 192 pesos, and they were so crunchy. The mix of spices they put on them was honestly unexplainable, but it worked so perfectly. Then, I got their Meze 3 menu for 478 pesos, which comes with 3 barbecues, 3 sauces, 3 sides, and flatbread. The meat was amazing. So flavorful and juicy. I'd even say it tasted better than some of the kebabs I've had in the UK. And for the price, it's definitely worth it. It was super filling too. Like I couldn't even walk down the stairs properly after eating. I was that full. We also ate at Hennann Restaurant, and this is definitely something travelers shouldn't skip. We tried their famous unlimited buffet, and since it was Saturday, it was 1,249 pesos for the food plus an extra 250 pesos for unlimited drinks. And honestly, it was the best of the best. You can literally have everything. There were so many options like seafood, chicken, pork, beef. I can't even remember everything because there was just so much to choose from. Everything was super tasty, properly cooked, and really felt like it was prepared by professional chefs. Of course, I went straight for the seafood. I absolutely devoured crabs, scallops, and octopus. It was more than worth it. By the end, I was so full and I could barely breathe, like my belly was actually about to explode. For dessert, I tried the HaloMango Icecream and I got the small size in a cup for 180 pesos. You can really taste the real sweet mango in every bite, and it's honestly the perfect way to cool down in the island heat. Simple, refreshing, and definitely a must-try when you're here. We also tried Ube Mama, one of the famous ice cream spots in Boracay. And since I'm such an ube lover, I was so excited for this. I got their double ube ice cream topped with cornflakes, maja blanca, and Filipino rice cake for 320 pesos. It was such a fun and indulgent combo. The ube flavor was rich, creamy, and super satisfying. And since it's called Ube Mama, I've got one for my mama too, because sharing dessert with her is always the sweetest part of any trip. Next is Coco Mama, and of course, I had to try it with my mama. I was really curious about this one because you literally get to eat ice cream served inside a coconut bowl. The creamy ice cream mixed with fresh coconut flesh created a flavor that just sticks into my memory. The medium size was 320 pesos, which was honestly worth it for the experience alone. Definitely one of those desserts in Boracay that you don't just eat, you experience it. Another dessert spot was Ice Flake, and of course, I tried their famous mango ice flakes signature. The price was only 320 pesos, and for a mango lover like me, this felt like a hidden treasure I randomly discovered in Boracay. It's literally like soft flakes, and I was honestly surprised because it doesn't melt easily like regular ice cream. The texture was super interesting. It feels airy and flaky at first, but the moment it touches your tongue, it slowly melts into the smooth, creamy mango goodness. And that's it for today's Boracay foodie adventure. I hope this video didn't make you too hungry. But if you enjoyed watching this, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more investigating journeys with Investigael.